แพน Think rate. Pull up.
Heathrow Director Chanex 548, with you at 21,200. Speedbird 20, Chanex 548, radar contact. Chanex 548 is 3 nautical miles southwest of Wickham Air at 20,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 right at London Heathrow. Speedbird 207 continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 9 left at London Heathrow. Roger Speedbird 207. Chanex 548 continuous filed, expect the ILS. Roger, Chanex 548. Oscar Hotel Oscar Juliet Hotel is 8 nautical miles east of Elstree at 15,900 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at London Heathrow. Oscar Hotel Oscar Juliet Hotel, expect vectors for the GPS approach runway 9 left at London Heathrow. Roger, Oscar Hotel Oscar Juliet Hotel. Oscar Hotel Oscar Juliet Hotel is 5 nautical miles east of Elstree at 14,800 feet, requesting radar vectors to London Heathrow. Oscar Hotel Oscar Juliet Hotel, expect vectors to London Heathrow. Heathrow Director, Saudia 001, with you at 6,800. Roger, Oscar Hotel Oscar Juliet Hotel. Heathrow Director Victory 771 with you at 2000. Saudia 001 radar contact.
Think rate. Pull up.
London Heathrow Tower Chanex 548, inbound on the ILS runway 9 right. Going around Jet Airways 111 Heavy.
Pull up.
Chanex 548, number 2, runway 9 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land runway 9 right, Chanex 548. Jet Airways 111 Heavy Roger, make left traffic runway 9 right. Chanex 548, number 1 runway, number 1 cleared to land runway 9 right, Chanex 548.
Think rate. Pull up.
London Heathrow Tower Singapore 1908 Heavy, inbound on the GPS runway 9 right.
Think rate.
Air Force
Pull
1 back
up.
taxi runway 27 left. Air Force 1 hold short of runway 9 right. Adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead, 9 Kilo Charlie Tango Mike. London Heathrow Tower
Think
Jet
rate.
Airways 111
Pull
Heavy,
up.
inbound on the GPS for touch and go runway 9 right. Holding short runway 9 right Air Force 1. American 203, request frequency change. London Heathrow
Think
Tower
rate.
Carina 197, ready for departure at runway 9 right, remaining in the pattern. Singapore 1908 Heavy, number 2, runway 9 right, cleared to land. Carina 197 hold
Think rate.
short of runway
Pull
9
up.
right. Number 2, cleared to land runway 9 right. Singapore 1908 heavy. Going around Thai 981 super. Holding short runway 9 right Karina
Think rate.
197.
Pull up.
London Heathrow Tower General 777, inbound on the ILS runway 9 left. Thai 981 super go around, make left
Brace for
traffic
impact.
runway 9 left. Going around make left traffic
Think
runway
rate.
9 left.
Pull
Thai
up.
981 super. Singapore 1908 heavy, is on final runway 9 right. General 777 number 2, runway 9 left, cleared to land. Holding short runway 9 right Karina 197. Singapore 1908 heavy, roger. London Heathrow Tower Jet Airways 111 heavy is 10 nautical miles to the southeast at 6,200 feet, requesting transition. Jet Airways 111 heavy, transition approved at or above 6,000. London Heathrow Tower Karina 197, ready for departure in sequence at runway 9 right, remaining in the pattern. Jet Airways 111 heavy, request frequency change. Karina 197, line up and wait runway 9 right. Jet Airways 111 heavy, contact London Centre on 127.0. Number 2, cleared to land runway 9 left General 777. London Heathrow Tower speedbird 2824 is 25 nautical miles to the west at 5,000 feet, inbound for landing requesting runway 9 right. Singapore 1908 heavy, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite traffic on base. London Heathrow Tower Karina 197, ready for departure at runway 9 right, remaining in the pattern. Wilco, Singapore 1908 heavy. General 777 number 2, runway 9 right, cleared to land. Karina